Hello everyone, welcome to my second video from my YouTube channel, Jimbo's Craft Store. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make some of these. They are charms for bracelets. Instead of instead of buying a charm, you get to make your own charm, and then you'll be able to attach them to these. So what you will need is these. These are called open eye pins, and you can get them from anywhere. I got these from Amazon, and you can get them short or long. These ones are long. I would get them the longer the better, because you've got enough space to make a loop at the other end, because it's very important to make a loop on the other end in order for you to attach them to these. So let's start making. So what you need to do is you need to get one of these, which are these beads I got from Machine. I will link all the things I've made on my video, so you can try them at home. So you need to put one of these onto the pin. So you got this. You have two for each end, and then you get a black bead. I will try and find links for you so you can get them. And so you now have silver and black. I'm choosing Evil Eye beads. I got these from Machine. And you put that on there. So now so far you've got silver, black, and a Evil Eye. And then you do the same thing but in reverse. And then you do it with this. You've got it like that, in that kind of pattern. And then you do the end with the nice flowery bead. And then you have something like that. Right, and then you close it up and make a loop. And how you do this is it's a little bit complicated because of it being a bit fiddly. So get some wire cutters to cut it down to size. And you cut, say, about that much, maybe a little bit more. And so then you loop it. Hang on. So far you've got an L shape. You have to close it and make a loop so it doesn't come off on the strap. And there you go. You've got a charm with two loops on either side. So then what you do is you get your strap to open up the bracelet. So you should have it open like this. You then get your little charm and then close the strap. and then what you do is you close the link so there's no way of it coming off. And then you get the other side. Do the same thing. And then loop the strap around. And then we close. And here you go, you've got a nice bracelet ready to go and ready to wear. So if you like my video, please put a like on my YouTube. And if you like the channel, please subscribe, because it really helps. Really helps me. It really helps my channel. And if you like what I do, please visit my social media pages and to get to see all my things that I sell at my shop, and visit my shop if you'd like to see more. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.